job, Bee. Since we have to give it back on Tuesday after your half birthday party, we thought we'd take a video of it, huh? Because we like it, right?
Right.
Okay. So what's this over here?
It's Bodie.
Yeah, it says Berkeley and Bodie and Scruffy. And what are these pictures?
I got a scary fight fullback.
Yeah.
And then
Is it you and Tim and you and Nana and Grandpa?
and me and Annie and Grandpa.
And you and Tata's? And
Me and
Gogo and your
Tata's.
cousins?
And Gogo and my cousins.
And that one says, me and Uncle Chun reads me and Tim books. And me and Mommy and Daddy and Tim. And then what are these? What does this say? Things I like to do. What's up there?
Me and Brookie
Yeah.
doing gymnastics.
Yeah, and what's this one?
And now it's me and Nana going shopping.
Yep, and what's this one?
Mama, but why don't I have a baby in my shoulder? But Mommy,
I don't know. What's that picture?
me playing baseball.
Yep. And then what are all these down here? What are we doing down here?
On the boat.
Yum.
I'm driving with Daddy.
Yeah, you're driving with Daddy. And what's up there? It says, I like art projects. And you made that art project, didn't you? And it says, riding my scooter, gardening,
Sorry.
sparkles and glitter, flowers, and butterflies. And it says, when I grow up, I want to be a doctor. And it says, favorite foods, pancakes, cheese and crackers, and candy. And then it says, spaghetti and Big B coffee drinks.
And riding a car.
Yeah, because look, over here starts when you were born. And there's you with Tim. Look at Tim and you. You look like a little baby doll.
No, I'm you.
Yeah, you look like you're not even 2 yet in that picture, Tim. And there's your baptism.
I look older. I look like I'm 3.
There's your baptism. And look, there you are as a baby. And then it says first birthday. And then second birthday. And then third birthday. You did a good job, Beezy Bear.
Thank you.
So did Mommy.